Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I would love to share some photos and memories when I was in Malaga, Spain. As to one of the crew member of the cruise ships, we only have a few hours to discover the port or the place where the ship is docked. So have a look, and here are some photos and memories of mine when I was there. So check it out.
We had a promise made, 4 hands and then away, both under influence. We had divine sense to know what to say. Mind is a razor blade to call for hands of above, to lean on. Would it be good enough for me now? One night of magic rush, the star, the silver touch. One night to push and scream, and then relief. 10 days of perfect tunes, the colors red and blue. We had a promise made, we were in love. To call for hands of above, to lean on. Would it be good enough for me to call for hands of
Malaga, Spain.
to lean on? Would it be good enough? And you knew the hand of the devil, and you kept us awake with those teeth, sharing different heartbeats in one life. To call for hands of above, to lean on. Would it be good enough for me? To call for